Good afternoon, class. Today, we're going to cover the letter M on building Braille. I hope you're excited because I'm excited. M stands for things like malicious, maleficent, melancholy, magnificent, mediocre, magnitude, monster, and Magnus. I don't know if I said Magnus before or not, but you know. Gotta love those M's, guys. Gotta love those M's. And of course, my name, Max, starts with an M. Ooh, M. Gotta love it. I love it a lot. So, the letter M is a fun letter to build. It doesn't take many pieces, and we'll get right into it. And it's not too terrible. And I got Sugar the cat here, probably showing you her butt, because Sugar doesn't know how to look at a camera except with her brown eye. Sugar, stop looking at the camera like that. You got to turn around. Your butt's in the wrong direction. People want to see your face. You got a cute face. You got a cute face, cat. Come here. Look. There you go. There you go. Yeah, look at the camera. Oh, isn't that a sweet cat? Okay, so let's begin. First off, what you're going to need is a 3x2 plate, and you're going to need one 1x1 stud, one 1x2 stud, one, get it, 1x1 tile, 1x2 tile, and then finally one 1x1 tile, if I can find it in here. Here it is. It's so tiny. Okay, and one 1x1 tile. So let's begin. First off, what you want to do is take your 3x2 plate, and you're going to want to take your 1x2 stud, and you want to put that in the 1 and the 4 positions on your plate. Next step is you want to take your 1x2 tile, and you want to put your 1x2 tile in the 2 and the 5 position. Okay, so 2 and 5, 1 and 4. Now you want to take your 1x1 tile, and you want to put it in the number 6 spot. And finally, you want to take your 1x1 stud, and you want to put it in the 3 spot. There you go. There's the letter M. Magnificent. So let's set that letter M off to the side, and let's build it one more time, but set it down on the table so that you can get a better understanding on how to build it yourself if you're sitting at a table and you're looking down upon it. First off, in the top left corner, we got the number 1. In the bottom right corner, we got the number 6. In the top right corner, we got the number 4. In the bottom left corner, we got the number 3. So first off, you want to put your 1x2 stud in the 1 and the 4 positions at the very top. Next, you want to take your 1x1 tile, but we don't want to use that. It's important that you don't put tiles down, 1x1 tiles down first. They have a tendency, and so do 1x1 studs, have a tendency of rotating in their socket, making it difficult to assemble. So it's always important that you put the bigger pieces down first, which allows some more some stability for the 1x1 studs and tiles, so you don't fight with it and it doesn't get frustrating. So next step is you want to take your 1x2 tile and put it in the 2 and the 5 positions in the very center of your Braille chip. Now, finally, we're going to come over here to these 1x1s, and I like to put down the 1x1 tile first. It makes it easier for the stud, so we're going to put the 1x1 tile in the number 6 spot. And finally, we're going to come in here with our stud, and we're going to put it in the 3 spot in the bottom left-hand corner. There we go. That's how you build a letter M. I hope you've enjoyed today's episode and the guest appearance of Sugar the cat. Please stay tuned to my channel. Next week, we're going to cover... I'm actually, for budgetary reasons, going to sell my Combiner Wars Devastator. So next week, we're going to do a More Than Meets the Eye on Devastator before I pack him up and list him for sale on my Mercari store, which I've posted some links to in my channel. And on the videos for Devastator, I will be posting the links. And if you wanted to buy Blind Prime's Devastator, you can go to Mercari and purchase it through the link. So thank you so much for watching today's video, and I hope all of you have a wonderful weekend. And I'll see you on Monday. Well, I won't be seeing you on Monday. You'll be seeing me on Monday. Unless, of course, you're also one of the blinds. In that case, you'll be hearing from me on Monday. Yeah, definitely be hearing from me on Monday. So, thanks again for watching. Tune in next time. Bye-bye for now.